In this video we are going to discuss the practical number 1. So for the practical number 1 you want to prepare like this table in your Excel sheet. So there are two questions available in the practical number 1. So initially you want to prepare the table like this. After that you want to calculate the total value vertical wise and the horizontal wise. After that you want to calculate the average and maximum minimum value. Finally you want to calculate the number of records. So in here in the questions they are asking you to calculate the total of each items, then monthly wise total and average. So then format the heading center, bold, italic, underline, so that is easily you can do. So then they are asking you to find out the maximum and the minimum of values for each month. Finally they are asking you to calculate the number of records here. So first you want to prepare the table like this in your Excel sheet. So then thereafter you can calculate the total. So total, so I am going to calculate two different way. First, equal sum. So you want to open bracket. So thereafter you can select the values. So that's mean the cell addresses. So like this way you can select the values. Okay, so from B3 to E3, then enter. So now you will get the total of these amount. So another way also you can calculate the total value. So you want to select the values with the empty cell. So then here auto sum options are available. Just click on that auto sum option. So you will be get the auto sum. So thereafter you no need to calculate one by one in the every cell. So just select that value and drag and drop like this. So then that particular formula apply to every cell. So here also, so you can do like that. So now you can see all the sum of the amounts were calculated. So then thereafter average. So you want to calculate the average, equal average. So then what you want to do? So you want to select the value range, that means cell addresses, then enter. So here just drag and drop, you will get the average of the value. So the similar way, equal max, then open bracket, select the value range, then enter. So then equal min, open bracket, select the value range, enter. So number of records, that's mean count, equal count. So then select the value range, enter. So then select these together and drag and drop. Okay, so like this way you can get the sum of value and average of that values and maximum value, minimum value and number of records. So in the next part, in the practical number 1, so you want to calculate the amount. So here the quantities are given in the table. So you can see here. so price and the quantity, you want to calculate the amount. So here they are asking you to make the heading bold and italic underline. That will you can easily do. So then center alignment, bold the heading, that's also you can easily complete. So find out the amount and format the number in the two decimal places with the RS currency sign. So find out the maximum and the minimum amount. So here, so the total amount equal the price into quantity, then enter. Just double click on that. Okay, you can calculate the amount. So after that you want to apply two decimal places and the RS symbol. So here you can increase and decrease the decimal places. So here you want to keep the two decimal places for whole values. So then you want to apply the currency symbol. So here symbols are available by default. The dollars, euros and that pounds are available here. So from the more accounting format you can get the currency RS symbol. So just go down RS, then OK. So like this way you can apply the currency symbol. So then here they are asking you to calculate the maximum and the minimum values. Okay, so here just equal max, then select the value range, enter, then equal min, open bracket, select the value range, enter. So now you can easily find that maximum of that value in the table and the minimum of that value in the table. So like this way you can complete this practical number 1.